सद्विचारांचे उदात्त आचार, ईश्वरा हे तुझे संस्कार, आज गोड मानून घे आमच्या वाणीच्या विणेचा हा झंकार, अशी प्रार्थना करून आपण पुढील कार्यक्रमाकडे वळत आहोत.
The father-daughter relationship is one of the most precious and unique connections that exist. It is a bond characterized by love, trust, and companionship, built on the foundation of mutual understanding and support. Daughters are the pride of their father. And what an honor for a daughter to introduce her father's work to the world. Let me call upon Miss Mudra Vaibhav Devgirkar, the bright and intelligent daughter of Dr. Devgirkar, to come up on the dais and explain the journey of her father from a doctor to an author on this momentous day. Mudra.
Respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, and all assembled here, a very good morning to one and all. I am highly grateful to our director, Shri Rajendra Borade sir, for giving me an opportunity to speak on this event, which is very special to me, as it is the celebration of the remarkable achievement of my father, Dr. Vaibhav Devgirkar, who has not only dedicated his life to the medical profession, but has also ventured into the field of literature by authoring 2 books titled Inspiration the Bharatiya Way and Inspiration the Western Way. He is a man who embodies the perfect blend of compassion, creativity, and intellect. He is a doctor by profession, an author by determination, and also a philanthropist. I am proud of my father. Reflecting on my life's journey, I see my father as a complete man upon whom my foundation has been based. He has always been caring, motivating, and inspiring. Over time, my love, admiration, and respect for my father has grown immensely. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation, but for me, my father is no less than Mahatma. My friends regard me as more mature, stable, and skilled at problem solving. Yet, I am fully aware that the practical knowledge I have acquired and have applied stems from my father's teachings and guidance. He is a highly busy person. Every minute, his phone would ring and he would be at the service of the people. He would never forget his family. One must learn from him how to balance between family and profession. Many times I wonder, will I be like him? Will I be able to handle that much pressure? Will I be able to build my personal successful journey along with professional growth? He always motivates me to undertake challenges and inspires me to be successful by giving examples of many personalities. His aim is to teach me to never give up. Swami Vivekananda's quote, "Awake, arise, and stop not till your goal is achieved." Such a small statement, but how much powerful it is. It can change one's perspective of life. The books Inspiration the Bharatiya Way and Inspiration the Western Way are the natural outcome of his authorship journey. These books are a compilation of many of those wisdoms I have already heard of or have applied in my life. The content of these books highlights wisdom of several centuries. I asked him, why 2 books at a time? He answered, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means entire world is one family. He learned not only from Indian personalities, but also from global counterparts. Never think that you fail. In every failure, there is a learning. So, you will or learn and never fail in your life. Your book is just another proof of your hard work and dedication. Congratulations, Baba. I am pretty sure that these books will be highly influential, bringing positive awareness and impact to the present generation, the same way as you have influenced our family. On behalf of my father, I thank Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai sir, Shri Dilip Karamdekar sir, Dr. Suresh Havre sir, and all the dignitaries assembled here for sparing their precious time for this great occasion of book launch. I rest my speech here. Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you, Mudra. Thank you, Mudra. You are indeed going to be a superstar. And she is a superstar of her dad. Now she is going to be a superstar. Thank you, Mudra, very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the most awaited moment, let's celebrate the arrival of two great books, Inspiration the Bharatiya Way and Inspiration the Western Way, written by Dr. Vaibhav Devgikar. May I call upon all the dignitaries to come out on the dais for the same. Please.